Hey guys, welcome to Animals and Birds with Anirudh, and I am here with you right now. Why did I say that? Today, as you just heard, we are going to talk about a scary thing. Well, not scary, but a very interesting thing about a bird. The sound you just heard was not a wolf. It was not. It was a common loon. Now you might be thinking, why does this common loon have such a voice? Why does it do that? How does it look like? Well, I'm going to tell you everything about the common loon. Now, the common loon, first of all, does not live in India, but I thought it was way too interesting to see that, it was way too interesting, so I had to make a video on it. So that sound was so interesting, right? Yeah, that's not a wolf. I couldn't believe it, but that is actually a bird. Now, let us talk about the loon. Now, these loons are also called as divers because they are extremely good at diving and catching fish. Now, they eat fish and water plants. And coming on to the calls. Now, there are 4 types of calls the common loon does. The first one is the hoot, the yodel, the tremolo, and the wail. Now, the yodel and tremolo is used for stressful situations, like if they see a predator or if they see any humans going near their territory. That is for yodel and tremolo, which I'll this. You can hear them. So this is just in case if you live, or go to America and hear these. So just be careful. Next is the hoot. The hoot. The sound. Okay. After that, the hoot is used for chatting, like hello, hey, business कैसी चल रही है, like that. And finally, the wail, basically the wolf sound. That is basically like, where is everybody? मैं अकेला हूँ, सब लोग किधर हो? And then दूर से एक और ऐसा reply आएगा, एक और wail आएगा, and then loons, basically तुम किधर हो kind of thing. So now this sound, because it's so fascinating, is actually used in movies. Because of course you may not, if you think about it, you may not actually get to film the wolves for the actual sound. So they use loons mostly. Some of the movies in which you can hear the loon is Godzilla, Avengers Infinity War, Avengers Endgame, and Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. And in Endgame, I personally actually noticed the loon sound. Like when the Thanos ka planet mein dikhata hai, that time you just hear a common loon. And of course, Harry Potter and Prisoner of Azkaban, if you have seen the movie, Lupin turns into this werewolf and you can hear the wolf sound. That's actually a common loon. So this is super interesting, and I think we should end the video. I made this video right now because I guess it's Halloween time. It's going to be Halloween, so yeah, a Halloween video for all of you. And have a good Halloween. Subscribe, like and share to my video. Share it with your friends and tell your friends to subscribe, and they'll tell their friends to subscribe. No, please, I need subscribers. And bye bye.